Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So I lost the footage where I was introducing myself and telling you guys what I'm making, so I'm just going to do it now. Today I'll be making apple cider, and as you can see, I've already gone ahead and washed my apples, cut them up, and now I'm peeling and cutting up one orange. And guys, that footage is also missing, so I used 10 apples and 1 orange. I'll also be adding a piece of ginger, and for the full recipe you can check it in my description box. I'll also be adding it to my blog, Smoothiequeenmomo. So I had a pot of water boiling. Now I'm just going to add all the ingredients to the pot. So you'll see, and as I go along I'll try to tell you the amount.
Call me, yes, you know, city girl today. I time for you to get to the side chick. You better call me instead. Call me instead. Baby, come over now the morning. I'ma leave the door unlocked.
Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of clove. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of nutmeg. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of whole pimento / allspice, and after which I added 5 cinnamon sticks, but that was too overpowering. So if you don't like cinnamon like that, you can put like 1 stick or 2 sticks. That's what I'll do my next time around making it. And then I let it cook for overnight, a little more than 24 hours before I turn it off. So this is the next day, and yes, I know it looks nasty, but with less cinnamon it is amazing. And I'm just stirring it around a bit, after which I'm going to strain it with a strainer, and it will be my juice jars. So just keep watching to see what.
Me love it though you beat it like a conga drum. Me never want this fun fit on. No, no. Tell wife you're the pan the night shift. Bring your bike up, make me ride it. Cause SP never itch, I'll never sneak. Call me.
Now I'll be adding 1 cup of brown cane sugar to the apple cider. So this is a sweetening phase, sorry. Now I'm pouring myself a cup with the so you guys know how it tastes. As I said, it tastes good except for the cinnamon was too strong in it, so just put less cinnamon in it. I know the recipe will say 5 sticks, use less than that. If you love cinnamon, fine, go ahead, put all in it. And this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed.